Hey, I'm Nick from Northern Brewer, and this is the Deluxe Brewing Starter Kit, aka the Brewery in a Box. Brewery in a Box is great because it is the most versatile kit that we sell at Northern Brewer. Really gives you the guts, the heart, and the soul of your home brewery. So if you're going to know that you're really into home brewing and this is something that you're really going to want to pursue and commit to, this is a great kit for you. Gives you all the basic equipment: primary fermenter, secondary fermenter, bottling buckets, bottling equipment, all the cleaning and siphoning and transferring and stacking and sorting equipment that you could possibly need, as well as a recipe kit to get you started. So this is really the heart and soul of your home brewery. The Deluxe Brewery in a Box comes with glass carboys. The reason we include glass with these is that, they're really the most durable option on the market. They don't hold odors, they don't hold flavors, and if you take care of them, they'll last a lifetime. Now, it does not include bottles and it does not include a kettle. And the reason for that is really to allow you to have the choice to customize those and get exactly what you want. Do you want 12-ounce bottles? Do you want 22-ounce bottles? We let you make that choice on your own. The reason we don't include a kettle is also because it allows you to upgrade or change and pick any kettle that you might want for your initial brewing. Right, so we do sell an economy version of the kettle, just 5 gallons, allows you to do a partial boil, or you can scale all the way up and grab like a 10-gallon kettle and burner combo to be able to brew outside, brew in the garage, do full volume boils. Or if that's not really for you yet, you can still pick the 5-gallon kettle, do the partial boil on your stove inside, and then move outside when you're ready. But really, this doesn't lock you into any commitments like that. It allows you to pick exactly what you want and brew the way that you want to brew. So again, this is the Brewery in a Box, our longest running, best-selling starter kit here at Northern Brewer. It has all of the things that you need and plenty of little bells and whistles along the way for you too. Pick up the Brewery in a Box and you will have a brewery in your home.